So, two of the most popular terms that you'll hear when you're in Jamaica or if you're talking to Jamaicans is wagwan and yemen. Wagwan is it's a question, it's asking, how are you doing? How are you? So when somebody say wagwan, you say, I'm fine, I'm okay, I'm doing great. You know, right? And Yemen, it's saying yes. So somebody asks you, are you coming over later? You can say, Yemen in patois. Somebody asks you, did you enjoy that jerk chicken last night that we had? Yemen. Did you go to the market and get those fruits that you said you were gonna get? Yemen. And are we going to the dancer tomorrow? You can say, yeah, man. Are you going to the grocery store tomorrow? Well, not grocery store, we say supermarket in Jamaica. Are you going to the supermarket tomorrow? You say, yeah, man. So, yeah, man is you saying yes in patois, right?